And I'm wondering about your way of coping with everything and having such a great perspective and an optimistic outlook. Do you think that your life before cancer prepared you in some ways, just like overcoming other challenges in life, that you had a track record of how you dealt with things? Do you think that in some way had prepared you to deal with cancer?
Well, no, I back in 2011, I had Legionnaire's disease,
Okay.
which I almost died from.
My goodness.
I was in the hospital and a rehab center for a total of
Uh-huh.
3 months.
Goodness.
So
Okay.
I survived that. Uh, and I kind of like put my hands then too in the hands of the Lord. And whatever would happen, I just put myself and figured it was fate. What would happen would happen. I
Hmm.
would fight, maybe my body would fight it,
Right.
better, much better if you have a
Mm-hmm.
positive outlook.
Mm-hmm.
Because I love
Mm-hmm.
life. I love the
Yeah.
sun.
Mm.
And I love this, just watch wildlife. So
Mm-hmm.
you have to love life
Mm-hmm.
at its simplest forms.
Mm. Mm-hmm.
That helps.
Mm-hmm. That makes a lot of sense. And I have heard other survivors, especially with poor prognosis, who've done beautifully, say exactly that. You have to find what is life for you, and then
Yeah.
really each day love life and then, pursue
Yeah.
life. And that seems to really set your perspective differently. You don't
Yeah.
get overcome by the sadness or the worries or the confusion. At any point, did you think, I think we need to let doctors know this or let medical personnel know this so that they can be better at communicating with patients or anything like that? Like, if you had a chance today to talk to a room full of doctors or other professionals, is there
Uh,
anything you would say to them to help them with cancer patients?
well, about once a month we have meetings with Zoom, and there
Mm-hmm.
are different oncologists. So they take questions and answers.
Uh-huh.
First, they tell us about the progress and how much funding they're getting
Mm-hmm.
to explore the benefits of treatment.